Right now, D.C. leaders are announcing a big change to the way juveniles are handled inside D.C. Superior Court. Mike Haneen joins us now with more on these changes. Mike.
Atre, we're in the basement of Judiciary Square, and this press conference is set to begin momentarily, led by Kenyon McDuffie, council member from Ward 5, as well as his colleague David Grasso and the Attorney General Carl Racine. Now, this new policy affecting shackles in courtrooms with juvenile defendants will not be absolute. Each judge will determine whether individual juvenile defendants should be shackled. Right now, until now, the policy has been indiscriminate, with all of them in shackles, and for years, defense attorneys have argued that shackles potentially cause psychological harm to adolescents, that they're demeaning and unnecessary, especially when the juvenile justice system should be focused more on rehabilitation than punishment. And then there was some pushback, though, from judges and other courtroom personnel saying restraints ensure safety. Then in recent months, Mr. McDuffie, who chairs the council's Judiciary Committee, formed a working group with Chief Judge Lee Satterfield, the Attorney General, and others to establish this new rule, an administrative order issued by the judge presents the presumption that every child should go unrestrained unless there are written findings showing he or she possesses a risk of flight or a risk to the safety of courtroom staff and visitors. Now, in response to this change, the Attorney General Carl Racine said, quote, shackling should be a last resort based on a clear and supportable security concern, and this administrative order is an important step toward ensuring that shackling becomes a last resort rather than a blanket policy. The administrative order takes effect on April 6th. Reporting live in Northwest, Mike Haneen, ABC 7 News.